coupes. We have coupes, simples and posé coupes. So coupe means to cut. And to make coupes, you can make them starting pointing in the front or starting pointing from the back. If pointing from the back, they're under. If pointing from the front, they're over. Begin with a fondue. Bring it in, taking that foot to replace where this heel was. So it comes under and switch. As you switch, point this foot down, touching the floor. Similarly then, if you wanted to make another one, you would make it with the front foot. You cannot repeat two with the same foot. So we dégage with a fondue, bring it sharply cutting under, taking this toe under where this heel is now. Point this one on the end onto the ground. That's a coupe under. If we want to make coupe over, dégage in front with a fondue. Again, this heel is going to land where this toe is as we cut, replace this foot, and you can close or continue with one pointing behind. So a coupe over, dégage, en fondue, over, and you can close or repeat with a coupe under. Simple coupes are just replacing each foot. Don't forget to point the toe touching the ground. Simple, simple. Coupes can be done on the bar. This is usually good to practice for balance. So dégage in front for coupe over, because this foot is coming over this one. This heel is going to land where this toe is now, as we exchange the feet. Then we could make simple, which is just change, change. Almost trying to tread on your toes when you make simples. You're replacing the foot, it's cutting under.